Hi, I am Ravi Kumar. In this video, we will see the mathematical representation of the frequency modulated wave and phase modulated wave, and also we will see how to generate the PM wave by using the frequency modulator and how to generate the FM wave by using the phase modulator. Before that, we are all familiar that modulation is nothing but changing the characteristics of the carrier wave with respect to amplitude of the message signal, right? Suppose FM signal or FM modulated signal can be obtained by changing the frequency of the carrier signal according to the amplitude of the message signal. Observe here, the FM signal is drawn like this. Here at this point we have maximum amplitude in the message signal. That's why I have drawn here maximum frequency. Lesser time duration between these two pulses means higher frequency. Similarly here, as the message signal amplitude is decreasing, and here it is the minimum amplitude in the message signal. In this minimum amplitude we have drawn here lesser frequency. Lesser frequency means time duration is large. That is, as the amplitude is varying, we are changing the frequency of the carrier wave here. This signal is nothing but the FM signal. The important point here is the carrier frequency FC, let us consider, is changing in the FM signal according to the amplitude of the message signal, right? That is FC plus something, the change you should be get at this point, at different points here, right? FC plus something, that FC frequency should be changed to something, FC plus something. But the change in frequency is depends on which one? This change in the magnitude of the message signal, right? So that's why this change in frequency can be written as FC, carrier frequency, plus some constant k into m of t, message signal amplitude, right? So that is FC plus kf into m of t is the frequency change instantaneously, right? So because FC is the actual frequency, but the frequency is changing according to the amplitude. That is what FM signal, right? So that is FC plus some constant k into kf into m of t is the change in the frequency, right, based upon the message signal m of t, where m of t is the message signal here. That is, the frequency is equal to fc plus kf into m of t is the change, right? Remember this point. What is the frequency changing here? It is fc plus some change is there. That change should be dependent upon the message signal amplitude, right? So that's why here we are writing fc plus kf some constant into m of t. We are saying that equation, right? Remember that one. Now by using that statement we are going to derive or writing the mathematical equation for the FM signal. See here, frequency modulated equation S of t is nothing but AC into cos of something I have written. How I have written this something, right? We know that actually, but before going to that, observe here what is AC, carrier signal amplitude AC, and what is m of t, message signal, which is am into cos 2 pi fmt, where message signal frequency is fm and am is the message signal amplitude, right? Fc is the carrier frequency. Now what is the fm actually? It is nothing but the variation of the frequency of the carrier. So AC cos of something, this something let us consider here. How I have written this something here? See, observe this one, a cos theta, like this is a form, a cos theta form. This theta is nothing but a cos omega t, like that, right? So theta is equal to omega t. Omega is equal to 2 pi into ft actually, this interterm. This 2 pi ft, but the frequency f is changing like fc plus kf into m of t is the thing, right? And we know that the phase is nothing but the integration of the frequency, right? So that's why this phase term is obtained by integrating the fc plus kf into m of t term. That is fc integration fc into t plus kf m of t integration is kf integral m of t dt. So that's the equation now, FM equation now it can be written as S of t is equal to AC into cos of 2 pi fct plus 2 pi kf integral m of t dt. Now here we are just writing integration of m of t. We have taken m of t as cos here, so integral of cos is sin. Here I have written sin 2 pi fmt, right? Here beta I have replaced this 2 pi into kf here Fm we will get after integration divided by Fm. So that term is I am taking as a beta some constant. Beta is equal to Kf into Am by Fm, which is termed as a modulation index here. Now this is very important parameter, modulation index. Beta is equal to Kf into Am by Fm. So that is equal to this. What is this Kf into Am? Kf into Am is nothing but the frequency deviation delta F. What is the meaning of frequency deviation? The difference between the maximum frequency change and the minimum frequency change, right? So what is the difference between the maximum frequency change and minimum frequency change occurred in the FM wave? Divided by Fm is the message signal frequency. So this parameter is important, modulation index parameter, right? Beta is equal to Kf into Am by Fm, that is equal to delta F by Fm, where delta F is the frequency deviation, change in the frequency or the range of the maximum frequency to the minimum frequency. This is about the frequency modulated wave. Similarly, in the same way we can write the phase modulated wave, right? S of t is equal to AC into cos 2 pi fct plus kp, here m of t. See, we know the relation that phase is equal to integral of frequency, right? So here in previously integral m of t here, right? So here it is only m of t we are writing. S of t is equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus kp, here some constant, into m of t, where m of t is the message signal. We are considering Am cos 2 pi fmt here. So substitute this one here. We will get the equation AC cos 2 pi fc2 plus kp into Am. We are writing that kp into Am as the beta, the modulation index in this case, cos 2 pi fmt. Observe here the modulation index is equal to kp into Am. It is nothing but the phase deviation here. Remember this one. Previously in the frequency modulation, the beta modulation index is equal to frequency deviation by message signal frequency. But here the formula for modulation index is equal to kp into Am, that is equal to phase deviation. Here phase deviation and the modulation is both are equal in the phase modulation. Now based upon this one, we can now draw easily the phase modulated wave. Coming to the first slide, what we have discussed here. Now the phase modulated signal is drawn with respect to the derivative of the message signal. If you do the derivative of this signal, we are going to change this maximum value and minimum value at different points. So we are going to get changes here, maximum frequency here and the minimum frequency here. Now we will see how to get the FM wave and the PM wave by using one another. We know that S of t is equal to, this is the FM equation, S of t is equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus 2 pi kf integral m of t dt. And this is the PM equation. The both equations are differ at this term, kp into m of t, this one here kf into integral m of t dt. That is, I am using this phase modulated signal, and the only change is in the m of t place we have to substitute here integral m of t. So that's why for phase modulator we are giving the input integral m of t signal. Now we are going to generate this FM wave, right? In this phase modulator, this m of t term is replaced with the integral m of t. By supplying the m of t to integrator block and giving to the phase modulator, we will get the FM wave equation, right? Similarly here, how we are going to generate the PM equation, this equation from the FM modulator. See, here integral m of t is there. To get m of t, what we have to do? We have to apply here derivative on this m of t. Derivative and integration both are getting cancelled here. So that's why m of t is applied derivative, here derivative m of t. If it is applied to the frequency modulator, this here derivative m of t and integral m of t both getting cancelled, only will get m of t here. So we will get the PM equation. So in this way, by using the integrated and phase modulator, we are going to generate the frequency modulated wave, and by using the differentiator and frequency modulator, we are going to generate the phase modulated signal.